So no matter what I'm doing, I go back, you know, and make the thing that I'm going to make. Did everybody see how I wrote that?
You make the loop first.
You make the loop first. See that? Then you come down into it. Everybody saw how I did that? That's how I want to see you write. If I say write batta, watch me. Ba, ta, ha. Then I go back and say ba, ta, ha. Batta. Battatun, which means duck. Okay? Can I lift the pen? No. Only after writing the word. And that's what I want you guys to practice to do. But we'll get there, right? We're just going to get first here to get the letters down. Ya. Watch ya. Ya is another letter. People don't write what. Watch this. I'm starting the ya in the middle of the line. I go across and up. You see that? Looks like a snake, right? Across and up. You see that? You can even go across and make it rounded. My line is not going over the other one. Now, if it's at the tail end of another letter, let's see, like this tha, then you go up a little bit. You see how I went up before I went there? Let's do that again. I write a tha, I go up, and then I make the whole thing. Does that make sense? Remember, the tha is on the line. So that means this is going to break the line, isn't it? You see that? Just ever so slightly, though. So if I'm writing a ba, I have a ba, same thing. You see that? So by itself, it's on the line. Or if you write a word like hatta, hatta. You see that? Hatta. Yes. Somebody had their hand up?
Yeah, can you write
No, I can't write
Can you write no ba?
And do what?
And connect it to another letter.
Okay.
I can see the difference.
Okay, this is ba. By itself.
Right.
Let's connect it to tha.
Right.
Ba, tha. Okay? Do you see that?
Yes.
Let's connect it to ha. This is different. Let me show you this. When you do a ha, you go up, over, and down. Did you guys see that? Watch that again. I'll do it bigger. Up, over, and down. Did you see it? Again. Up, over, and down. Say it again. Up, over, and down. Do you see that? Yes?
No.
Okay. So, if I'm going to do a ba, for example, with a ha, or a kha, rather. Oh, yes. No, that's one. I start, go up, over, and down. You see that? Did you see what I wrote? Is that clear on the thing? So, this is how you write. And that's why you see Alhamd. Alhamd. You see, the ha is connected to the lam. This is incorrect for someone writing with their hand. You see the difference? Why is this different? Because I had to lift up my pen and write this. That is not the way we write. We don't write like this. No, rather we write like this. Did you see me? I didn't lift my pen. Alif, lam, ha, mim, dal. When you're writing. Is everybody following me? I hope so. No, I'm going to test you, you know. No, the thing. You're dragging this thing out. I figured you would be in another part right now. Okay, what I want you to do at this stage, because it seems like you're getting, can you finish this one? Excuse me?
Inshallah, I
Oh.
can try.
No, just I want to see it done, okay? It shouldn't take long. You know, when you say you know it, you write it out.
Okay, inshallah.
We don't got to think about it because we know it. You know, the whole concept is the concept that you find in the Bushido. Bushido is the, you know, the warrior way and everything like that. That doesn't counter a conflict with Islam. The concept is that it's not that I hope that I don't meet my enemy, but when he meets me, he meets a defendable, he can't repent, he can't get away from me. You know, I forget the language. So likewise, it's not that I'm never going to be asked this, but when I'm asked this, I can come up with it really easy. You know? Likewise, we're going on to the next letter, which is Abjad Hawaz Hutiya Kaliman. Kaliman. Here we go. Kaf. Kaf can be written a few ways. Today, we're only going to learn one. The way it's written in the beginning of a sentence. Watch. Did you see me? Or, pay attention, sharp line, circle. Did you see me? Either one of those. Don't go further than that. It takes the whole line. You have a question?
Can you go back on the first one?
Okay, watch. I just smoothly write it. Okay? Even in the Quran, you'll see them write it like this. Let me give you guys a heads up. You know, in the Quran, you see some words are written really big, right? And then the kaf sometimes written really long. Do you know why that is? Excuse me? No, it's not. It's a very simple reason. And I want everybody to notice it's not no real secret to the people who study the Quran.
Spacing of the letters?
Right. It's about spacing. The purpose of the Quran, the ones that we have here from Saudi, or the King Fahd ones, are to make every surah, every page start with an ayah and every page end with an ayah. And so in order to facilitate that, you make long kafs and long noons in places to stretch it out like that. That's the only reason you have it that way. Okay? So don't think that, oh, it's for some other reason. That is the only reason. So if someone wants to ask you that, you can tell them, no big secret. It's just so that we can make this this page end at the end of the ayah. Okay? So that's why you'll see it done with the kafs and the noons. Okay? Stretched out. Does that answer? I see you smiling. Did you ever wonder that? Right. It's a real simple thing. Real simple thing. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Everything has an answer. And when you study, you should be able to find every answer to the questions. Okay? So that's kaf, right? This guy's laughing. He's over here. He's talking to somebody. Looks like he's doing a lot, right? He feels he wants to be sitting down. Let me see. Wal harfu yu'rafu. This is wrong. Where's my pen? Wal harfu yu'rafu bi alla yaqbala. Bi alla yaqbala. الاسم ولا فعل دليل كبلا الإعراب الإعراب from عربة هو إعراب
نعم
okay إعراب تغيير أواخر كلام تقديرا أو لفظا فذا الحد اقتنمي. I helped you. Go ahead. And you know this word from ghanam.
Now.
Okay. Right. Spoils of war. And the Prophet ﷺ, take advantage of 5 before 5. So then take advantage of this definition. For the Hajj, this definition, اغتنم.